TMS has helped me to feel the best I have ever felt. I have come off an enormous amount of medication, which I suffered a great deal of side effects. The one that bothered me the most was absolute fatigue during the day, all day, and which made it very hard to keep a job. Now I am alert, awake, and sleep like a normal person. I'm not falling asleep at 3 and 4 in the afternoon and not being able to get out of bed in the morning. I'm out of bed, I'm awake, I'm alert, I'm doing things, and that has been the best change. And that has been because I have been taking off so much medication. That is great. I think I've always had depression. One of my earliest memories was as a little girl in a playground, watching other children play on the swings and things and having a good time, and being alone on the side and wondering why I couldn't have that kind of fun.
Mm-hmm.
And it first began to interfere with my life in my 20s and started getting treatment. And for 30 years, I was in and out of hospitals with severe depression, voices telling me to kill myself. I can't even count the number of medications and hospitalizations they've tried. I was willing to do anything. My mother's new boyfriend happened to be a psychiatrist, and he happened to go to a seminar about TMS, and he mentioned it to me and my mom, and so we went to a consultation, and I was hopeful but very frightened. I was scared to be hopeful because so many times doctors had said, this is what's going to work for you, and maybe it worked for a couple of months and then it didn't work. So I was always being disappointed. And I was concerned about the cost. It was my mom who said, or asked me, don't you want to try something that could possibly change your life, no matter what the cost? And I said, yes, I really want to try. I really want to try. I wasn't quite sure when I started feeling better, but I think it was a couple of weeks. My mom started noticing that I was more alert and aware, and that my face wasn't so tight. If I had given into my fears, I could could probably right now be in the hospital listening to those voices telling me to kill myself, feeling helpless and hopeless and not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. And that is so